Next exercise 2.5. It's the first question. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Then here reducing this equation in which form? Simpler form. Look at these equations. Both sides are variables. First we arrange variable should be on one side and other side we should write constant. Then look here variables x by 2 is then x by 3. So first left side we write variables x by 2. Then next look what is its sign? Its sign is positive. So this go to which side? Right side. Right side to left side. Transposing right side to left side. Its sign will be changed. Positive change into negative. Then x by 3. Then equal sign. Then here 1 by 4. Which side? 1 by 4 is already right side. Then next look left side. Negative 1 by 5. So this number negative 1 by 5 go to which side? RHS side. So its negative sign will be changed into positive. Then 1 by 5. Then we can solve this. Look here. We cannot subtract direct because its denominators are different. So first we convert different denominator into which same denominator. So we find out LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 3 here? No common factor. So we directly multiply this number 2 into 3. 2 into 3 6. 6 write as a common denominator. So write 6. Common denominator 6. Then next look this first term look x by 2. Then 2 change into which? 6. So 2 multiply which number? 6. 2 multiply by 3 means here denominator multiply by 3. So numerator also multiply by 3. So 3 into x 3x. Then next minus. Then next here denominator 3. 3 change into which number? 6 means 3 multiply which number is 6? 3 2s are 6. So numerator also multiply by 2. So x into 2 2x is equal to then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So here also different denominator. So find out its LCM. Then 4 and 5 have no common number. So direct multiply 4 into 5 20. 20 is the LCM of this numbers. Then 20 you write as common denominator. Then 4 convert into which number? 20. So 4 into which number of 20? 4 5s are 20. Here denominator multiply by 5. Numerator also multiply by 5. 1 into 5 5. Then plus 1 by 5. Look 5 convert to 20. 5 into which number? 20. 5 4s are 20. So numerator also multiply by 4. So 1 into 4 4. Then next 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x which number? 1x. So you write x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 9. 9 by 20. Then next we remove this 6 from this which side? From this variable. Then look how to remove means this stay multiply by 6 we can remove 6. Then x by 6 multiply by 6 then is equal to 9 by 20. Here look here left side we multiply by 6. So right side also multiply by 6. Here multiply by 6. Then look this 6 and 6 cancelled. Then x is equal to look 9 6 are 54. 54 by 20. 54 by 20. This 54 and 20 divided by which common number? 2. Look 27. This 54 divided by 2 and 20 also divided by 2. Then how many times? 10. So answer here 27 by 10. Again divided by any other number? No. So its answer is x is equal to 27 by 10. So this is the solution of this equation. So we can write this is the solution of this equation. Here which numbers is transposing? Look, bracket transposing which numbers here? X by 3 to LHS and negative 1 by 5 to RHS. And here look, both side divided by which number? Both side, sorry, divide not multiply by 6. Is it clear how to solve? Then next question. Next question number 2. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Look this equation. Variables are which side? All the variables are same left side and constant 21. So then here look, we can find out its LCM, means 2, 4 denominators are different, 2, 4, 6. So find out denominators LCM of these numbers. Look, then 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So here LCM which number? 12 is the LCM. So LCM we write as a common denominator. Look, the next each times denominator convert into which number? 12. So 2 convert into 12. So 2 multiply by which number? 12? 6. 2 multiply by 6. So numerator also multiply by 6. Then n into 6, 6n. Then which sign here? Negative, minus sign. Then 4 3s are 12. So 3 3s are 9, 9 n. Then plus 6 2s are 12. So 5n into 2 10 n is equal to 21. Then solve. Look, 6n and 10n 16n. 16n minus 9n which number? 7. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Then look, this how to remove this is 12 from this term. This multiply by 12. Here LHS side multiply by 12, RHS also multiply by 12. Both side multiply by 12. Then look, 7n is equal to, look, 21 into 12 to 4. So what is answer? 7n is equal to 252. Then n is equal to 252 divided by which number? 7. So how many times 7 in 25? 3 times. Then 3 sevens are 21. 25 minus 21, remainder here 4. 4 and 2, 42. 42 how many times? 6 times 7. So what is its answer? Its answer is 36. So n is equal to, what is its answer? N is 36. So which is the required solution? The required solution is 36. This is the required solution. Required solution. The next question. Third question. Look, x plus 7 is equal, minus 8x by 3 is equal to 70 by 6 minus 5x by 2. First variable should be write on which side? Left side. Look, x minus 8x by 3. Then plus this go to which side? Left side. So negative change into positive. Then 5x by 2. Then is equal to 17 by 6. Plus not 7 go to which side? Rth side. So positive sign change into negative 7. Then transposing, which numbers are transposing here? Then negative 5x to LHS. Transposing negative 5x by 2 to which side? LHS. And positive 7 to RHS. Then next we can solve this. Then now you look, its denominators are different. So find out its LCM. What is its LCM? 3 2s are 6. 6 write as the common denominator of how many terms? 3 terms. Then what is its denominator? Its denominator is 1. So here this multiply by 1 convert into which number? 6. So 1 into 6 6. So numerator also multiply by 6. 6 into x into 6 6x. Then minus. Then 3 2s are 6. So 2 into 8x 16x. Then plus 2 3s are 6 and 3 5s are 15x is equal to, look, 70 by common denominator which number? 6. So 6 7s are which number? 42. Means here common denominator 1 into 6 6. So this numerator 7 is numerator, 6 7s are 42. Then next look, 6 minus 16x. Then what is its answer? 6 minus 16x. Then negative 10x. Negative 10x plus 15x. What is answer? 5x. or positive plus and then minus. Positive 6 and 15x 21x minus 16x 5x by which number? By 6. Then is equal to 17 minus 42. 17 minus 42 which number? 25 by which number? 6. Then this 6 remove from 6, 5 by 6 remove from this equation. How to remove this 5 by 2 remove from this? Look, 5 by 6 how to remove from this expressions? Means 5 by 6, 5x by 6 multiply by 6 by 5. Here left side we multiply by 6 by 5, right side also multiply by 6 by 5. So 25 by 6 multiply by 6 by 5. This which number? Sorry, this is negative and this also negative. Here 6 cancel, 5 and 5. Then 6 and 6 cut. Then how many times? 5 times. So here answer, here 1 time, 1 time, 1 time, here 5 times and 1 time. So what is its answer? X is equal to what is? X is equal to negative 5. So negative 5 is the solution of this equation. The next question number. Then for 5, 6 you should write its answer. All that means exercise 2.5 you should write your fair copy, and next question, simplify and solve the following linear equation. Then question number 7. 3t minus 3 is equal to 5 2t plus 1. First we simplify and solve this equations. Listen here, first we simplify means look, outside of the bracket 3 and inside of this bracket, first bracket t and 2 times. This 2 times multiply by 3 means first we multiply 3 into t and then 3 into 3. First 3 into t, 3 t. Then 3 3s are 9. This is positive or negative? Negative 9. Then is equal to 5 into 2t, 10t. Plus 5 into 1, 5. Then next, look, variables are which side? Both sides. So we should write it, variables write it in which left side? 3t. Then this go to which side? LHS side. So positive, which sign is positive, positive change into negative, 10t. Then is equal to positive 5. Then plus negative 9 go to which side? Right side. So its sign will be changed positive. Then next you look, what is its answer? 3t minus 10t, negative 7t is equal to 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. T is equal to 14 by negative 7. So answer is negative 2. So solution of this equation is negative 2. Then you look, balance all the questions. Look, you first we simplify and solve this equations. Find out its a solution of this equations. Then all this question answer you solve your fair copy. You should write it your fair copy. Then okay, thank you.